right, what do we got here? Huh.
You'll have to signal our man. I bet anything he's sleeping off a hangover, so you'll have to wake him up. The sound of some VAR kids burning alive at the same time ought to do it. You got a fire gun, right?
Good God.
Let's just get this out of the way. Yes, most of my merchandise was ripped from the hands of dead adventurers.
Well done. Now, set some more on fire before that one dies.
So loud. So angry. So dead.
Hey, Vault Hunter.
On the move!
Welcome to the Crimson Raiders. Sorry you had to wake me up. I might have celebrated a little too hard last night after Buddy and I raided out.
Autogun deployed!
Ain't that right, Bud?
Want some of this?
So, the Hyperion train is speeding to the Tundra Express. If my intel's good, and it usually is, all Q itself might be on board. Advice? What I do, steal the key, get drunk, pass out. Without the vault key, Jack can't control the warrior. You gotta hijack that train, soldier. My old friend Tina can help. Go talk to her.
Auto guns, doing them up! Is that the best you got?
Tina's a bomb maker and a friend of mine. I've saved her life a few times, and she's saved mine even more. She'll help you out, but here's a tip. Don't make any sudden movements near her.
Come on in. You're missing the fun.
That's how you do it.
All around the stack, there's plants. The stalker chased the bandit. The stalker thought 'twas all in fun. Pop! Goes the bandit. Oh, hi! Rowan told me you were coming. I still owe him for all that with General Rancid. So you gotta hijack the train, huh?
On the one hand...
Let me introduce you to my... Running, I'm running over here. Run. This here's Mushy Snugglebites, and this is Vicious Six. These fine-ass women's could stop that train for us, but I'm gonna need their badonkadonks first, and they got stole by the bandits a few days ago. Go get them!
I know Tina can be odd, but she's the most gifted demolitions expert on Pandora. Just do what she asks, and I guarantee she'll help you hijack the train and get the vault key. Nothing like a challenging kill.
That's right, bitches! My big brother's about to teach you some manners! Nobody steals Mushy Snugglebites and badonkadonk and clips!
Who the hell is Mushy Snugglebites? Did you miss me?
Why you here?
Whoa!
That's Mushy Snugglebites badonkadonk. She's my main squeeze. Lady's got a gut full of dynamite and a booty like... Pow! Got the badonkadonks? Best day ever! Bring it back here and I'll use them to make some fine-ass damsels who can hijack that train for you.
Present or dead? I'm here! I'm Missy! How are you? How are you?
Wanna meet my girlfriend? Pour one for the two.
for the stretch. Nothing like a good sail.
Get your butt out of my workshop, man. I got to be alone for this. I'm a little teapot, bloody and cut. Here is my handle, here is my butt. Whoops. Put a little bomb in a hot-ass damsel. Squishy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Oh, damn, you looking good, ladies. Let's get to work. That's right. Twin sisters, man. Oh, take them. Take them, take them, take them, take them. Just put my damn in the choo-choo track and great plan.
Thank you. Bears?
Just poke their bellies when you want me
Turret
to set the
deployed.
explosives off. I gotta do it remotely. Oh, snap, son. I hear the terrain coming. Counting down. 10, 9. I got this. For the babies!
Well, that's one way to hijack a train. The Valky's still up on that ice shelf. Better climb that wreckage to get there.
Climb up high to the train, or you'll go insane. What? That's a rap song I wrote.
Search the train cars. They're probably keeping the Valky in the most fortified one.
Thanks for the scrap. Come back anytime.
All right, what do we got here?
Don't worry. If Jack really wanted to protect the vault key, it wouldn't be on a train. He'd have Wilhelm guarding it.
Sentry gun prime!
Oh dear.
It's a trap! The vault is found in train. Abort the mission, soldier! I'm sorry, this can't handle it. You killed Wilhelm. Holy hell, Jack doesn't stand a chance.
Wilhelm dropped a power core. Be sure to grab it. My sensors tell me it's one of a kind. If you...
Whoa, never seen a power core like that. The one you got from Reese is nearly burned out. Why don't you bring it back here? We may not have found the vault key, but at least Sanctuary will be safe a little longer, thanks to you. Wow, bro!
Wilhelm nearly defeated the other Vault Hunters a couple of years ago. You have proven yourself to be even stronger than them. Well done.